Is that my favorite?
Shh. You know the new 370 EFI truck mount?
Shh. It's top secret.
Oh, well, what you reading?
Some tips.
On
Buying a truck mount.
truck or die.
What?
Truck or die? Oh, wait, you've never heard the expression truck or die?
Nope.
Guess you're not a real truck mount enthusiast.
Whatever.
Prove me wrong. Give me your top 5 tips on buying a truck mount.
Fine. Number 1, make sure you're buying equipment that meets your needs. That's why at Legend Brands, we have a helpful truck mount selector tool on our website.
Oh my God, we should totally put a link to it in the description of this video.
Duh. Determine what kind of jobs you're doing now and what kind of jobs you want to be doing in the next few years. This is obviously a long-term investment.
Not a bad start. Number 2, why is the manufacturer's reputation important?
I mean, the 870 included the industry's first 5-year warranty. If you're going to partner with a company, why wouldn't you choose one that has the history and commitment to deliver quality built-in-America products?
Well, don't forget about service.
Service?
Look, if I break a nail, I want to know it's going to be fixed.
You would. Focus on the nails, I'll focus on the truck mounts. Number 3, Legend Brands has more than 115 authorized service centers across North America. An authorized service center will have the right stock of replacement parts on hand, which is important.
Of course it is, because if your truck's in the shop, it's not making you money.
Another thing.
What?
Number 4, don't buy on price alone. Just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it's a good deal.
Ain't that the truth?
It's gotta be a package. Meet your needs, warranty, authorized support. The kind of things that don't come with used goods.
And at Legend Brands, we have partnerships with some of the best lenders in the business.
Which brings us to number 5.
Financing!
That the right financing package can preserve your cash flow while leveraging you into new sales opportunities.
Yeah, I mean, you want options that are in your best interest, not just what's making the lender the most money.
Legend Brands will work with you directly to create the best financing package for your business.
Well, I guess you do know a thing or two about truck mounts.
You're not so shabby either.
I think I just broke a nail.
Again?
Legend Brands.